Back to Further Solutions Academy. Don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel, Further Solutions Academy. And on this video, I'll be walking you on I'll be walking you on cubic function, which is application part of differential calculus. I have some problems here, which is from past question. In the previous video, I've explained turning points, which by now, but this time around, I'll be working on cubic function. Now, for instance, I have this particular question here, and this, we have to solve. The function, if y equals to x cubed minus x squared minus x plus 6, find the value of x at the turning point. Look at the solution to this problem. The cubic problem is this particular 3, which is raised power 3. Now, just to have y equals to x cubed minus what? Now, x plus 6. This is cubic function. Take note of that because it's powering 3. Now, the x equals to 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. That is the function, which I will now move on by having. I want to this equate it to 0, which is what I explained in the previous video, because at turning point, dy dx equals to 0. Now, it means I'm talking about x squared. I'll be working on, I'll be talking about minus 3x plus x minus 1 equals to 0. 3x bracket of x minus 1. Plus 1 bracket of x plus minus 1, which I'll be having is 0. Now, my 3x plus 1 and x minus 1 equals to 0. Now, my x equals to 1 all over 3 minus, and x will be equals to 1. Now, that is what we are going to be having. Now, minus 3 all over this. Now, I will now move on to the next thing, which I will have that. That is all what I need. It means at turning point, my x will be equals to what? Which is my x will be equals to this and this. That is all. Now, what is the point we are referring to? It means when my x equals to what? Okay, I think that is all. That is all. It means my x will be equals to this and this. It means, hope you know that there will be two turning points up and down. There will be two turning points here. It means my x will be equals to this and my y will be equals to that. Now, for instance, when my x equals to this, y will be equals to, I'll be having 1 all over 27 minus, this is going to be minus 1 over 27, and put that and you get your coordinates, and also do that and you get your coordinates. Now, look at this also. You are looking, find the value of x at which the function y equals to this. The function y equals to what? This. Find the value of the x at the turning point. Okay. I don't need to stress myself even looking for y. Don't stress yourself. Just stop here. This is the value, because we're talking about value of x. Now, find the value of x at which the function y equals to what? Is minimum. Is minimum. This one will be the y. The x will be equals to 3x cubed squared minus 4x plus 1. Now, the same thing that happened will happen here now, which I'll be having 4. Which I will be having. Oh, there is mistake here. Sorry, permit me. There is a mistake here. There is mistake here. I think I've changed the question upside down. Sorry, I'll make mistake there. This one will be 3x minus 3x. Oh, I'm not. Sorry, I'm not. Now, since I have this, here will be this will be, which I will be having 3 and 4. It will be 3x squared minus 3x minus x plus 1, which is it will be equals to 0, which I'll be having 3x bracket of s minus 1 and minus 1 bracket of s minus 1 equals to 0. 3x minus 1 and x minus 1 equals to 0. Now, my x will be equals to 1 all over 3 or x equals to 1. Now, that is my value of what? Find the value of x. I think, am I correct? Yes, I'm very correct. Now, you will now move on by having, I can now continue by having d square y will be equals to 6x minus 4. 6x minus 4. Is this 6x minus 4? Yes. 6x minus 4. Now, which I'll be having at s equals to 1. It means at s equals to 1, I'll be having which is going to be 6 minus 1, which I'll be having 2. Now, at s equals to, yes, which is my 2 is greater than 0, which is what? Minimum. Now, at x equals to 1 all over 2, 1 over 3, it means I will be talking about 6 1 all over 3 minus 4, which is here 1, here what? 2, which is going to be minus 2. Now, minus 2 is less than what? Is less than 0, which this one will be maximum. Okay, that is all about that. Now, I think that is very clear. That is very, very, very clear. Now, this one I'll be having y equals to 3x squared, 9x squared. Now, find the value of x for which the function this is maximum. Is minimum. Now, dy dx will be equals to 9x squared minus 18x. That is the first thing I will do. Equate to 0, which I'll be having 9x bracket of x minus 2 equals to 0. Now, since I have this, it means my x will be equals to 0, my s equals to 2. Now, I will now continue by having that. Now, this squared y all over will be equals to 18x minus 18. 18x minus 18. Now, which is equals to this. Now, at s equals to 0, I'll be having minus 18, which is less than what is 0. Now, less than 0, which is what? Maximum. And at s equals to 2, I'll be having 18, which is greater than what is 0 at minimum. Please take note of that. At minimum. That is all what you just need to do. It means my minimum, at minimum, my x will be equals to 2. My x equals to 2. That is all about that. I'll be stopping here. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Once again, thanks for watching.